Hey, it's Chris. This is a compulsory tool if you want to work on flat spoke. This is a flat spoke holder, but let's take a look at it.
Unior's flat spoke holder is an additional but compulsory tool if you want to work on flat spokes. For greater durability and strength, Unior decided to produce its flat spoke holder using a polyamide compound. This tool can be used with flat spokes from 1 mm wide to 2.2 mm wide. The donut shape of the tool offers great comfort and grip and allows you to go from one spoke to the other very easily. The tool will efficiently prevent the spoke from twisting when the spoke nipple is tightened or untightened.
All good. I hope you will like it because it's very easy to use and very convenient. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.